Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset tire pressure in your Audi Q7. First, ensure all 4 of your tires are inflated to their recommended pressure, which you can usually find on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb. Next, turn on your vehicle's ignition, but do not start the engine. This will power up the MMI system, allowing you to access the necessary settings for the reset procedure. Once the MMI system is active, navigate to the main menu. You'll want to select the Car option, which typically leads to various vehicle settings. From there, look for and choose Tire Pressure Monitoring. This section will display the current status of your tire pressure system. Take a moment to confirm that the displayed pressures seem reasonable before proceeding. Within the Tire Pressure Monitoring menu, you should find an option to Store Tire Pressures. Select this to confirm that the system should adopt the current pressures as the new baseline. After confirming, you'll need to drive your Audi Q7 for a short distance, typically a few miles, at a moderate speed. This allows the system to learn and register the new tire pressure values accurately. After driving, check your dashboard to ensure the TPMS warning light is turned off. If it remains on, double-check your tire pressures and repeat the reset process. Remember, maintaining correct tire pressure is crucial for your vehicle's safety and fuel efficiency. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.